She told me a diamond on my tree just be out from flesh before to another. Here he says, I want the sound of you. I hear him now. Bruno. I need to love Bruno. I need to love Bruno.
Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Say, good morning, Tita and Tito. I just woke up from my first nap this morning. Actually, it's now 12 o'clock. Where are you going? Celine is awake now. We can go together. We can go together. It's at the Paris.
Let's go together.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
Alrighty. How was your nap, sweetheart? How was your nap? Okay. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
I'm blurred. It's blurred. Daddy, I think the camera knows. It didn't focus on you. What did you say?
Look at this.
That's what I mean. So the camera knows. Alrighty, sweetheart. Can you get Celine a nappy?
I feel
Please?
so like...
Honey, get Celine a nappy. Come on, so we can
In my
go.
arms and legs, in my arms and legs now, I feel very skinny.
You don't look like it though.
Huh?
Careful, Paris.
Sorry?
You don't look like it. Daddy, can you get me a nappy for Celine, please? Hello, sweetheart. Tingnan nyo guys, she's better now. Oh, no cold. Mama still got a cold. Hi, can you see yourself? I know you like it when you see yourself. Hey, hello, my sweet little girl.
Yeah, no.
The nappy, please, Daddy.
Paris getting us.
Ah, okay. Mama.
Hello.
Yay! Just it makes me really happy talaga, guys. So, pag nakikita kong tumatawa ang mga anak ko. Yeah. Don't be too loud, my love. Uy, welcome back to our channel sa anak. Oh.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah. How are you feeling now?
Okay.
Good? Oh, shush.
I'm not gonna yet because I'm still sick.
Alam niyo guys, sinasabi niya kasi ayaw niya pumunta ng school. Ikaw ba? Makikigay ka ha? Makikigay ka ha? Anyways, change ka na ng napi si, Sige, okay. Talk.
And I'm 4 so now.
You are. We'll change her nappy kasi nag-lunch break si Daddy Mike and we'll go for a walk. She very love. Bata pa lang ga. Yeah, guys, she loves her daddy so much. Like every time she looks at Daddy, you'll see that sparkle in her eyes. Yes, because you can see yourself.
There's limes.
It's not lemon, yeah. What is it?
I see yellow, so there's a lemon and a lime.
Okay, so when it's yellow, it is
A lemon.
and when it's green,
It's
a what? When it's green, it's a
lemon.
when it's green. How do you call it when it's green, Paris? Hello, we're going now. Daddy's leaving us. You don't know? You just told me before. When it's green, it is
A lime.
a lime. That's right. So we're out, guys. Lunch break ni Daddy Mike. So we're going for a walk. And para productive tayo, we're going for a walk towards the shops. Punta tayo ng Woolies. Punta tayo ng mga pangangailangan natin sa ating tahanan. Hala, grabe ka Tagalog. pangangailangan sa puntahan. That's okay.
Wait. I don't need that anymore.
No, you don't.
Because it's windy now.
No, you don't. Alam niyo ba guys, na today sana kami babiyahe papunta ng Sydney. Actually, tonight. Kasi pagkatapos sana ng work ni Daddy Mike ay yeah, we'll go to the airport and straight to Sydney. Kasi nga diba wedding ng friend ni Daddy Mike bukas. But because of what happened, hindi na yun siya mangyayari. Hindi na siya mangyayari. So, kinancel namin lahat, guys. Obviously, you know, we're not very well enough to go. Meron pa rin kaming sipon. And, yeah, ang mga kids, guys, hindi rin, hindi magandang ibiyahe pa ganyan, diba? So, unfortunately, we had to cancel it the last minute. And, you know, even though we feel bad, kasi nga, diba, kapag in-invite ka sa mga ganyan, obviously, you are, you know, very important. And then, sa mga ganyan, guys, binabayaran na yung mga, yung spot mo. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we're really sorry. Kasi ito, they're very understanding naman, guys. Sabi nila, it's okay, you know, like, it's unforeseen naman na pangyayari. Kaya, sobrang bad timing lang talaga na, yun na nga, like, ngayon nangyari. Sabi ni si Daddy Mike, sabi niya, nag-send na lang siya ng pera, guys. Even though sabi nila, don't worry about it, it's okay. Yeah, don't stress. Nag-send na lang si Daddy Mike ng pera sa kanila, guys, para at least ma-cover yung, namin, yung spot naming dalawa ni Daddy Mike. So, yeah, very sayang, guys. But, you know, health is more important. Yeah, at the moment, we're still recovering from the cold and cough, and that I'm just very happy that there's no more fever in the household, so we just have a little bit of cold and cough, but that's about it.
Single file.
Careful, my love. Today nga lang bumalik si Daddy Mike ng work, so nag-off siya Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday kasi, you know, he was not feeling well, and yeah, bumalik lang siya ng work today. Kahapon pumunta siya ng kahapon ba yun? Yeah, did you go to the doctor's yesterday, Bob, or the other day?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah. Yesterday para kumuha ng doctor certificate kasi straight na 3 days yung kanyang off. Yeah.
I wonder if
Daddy Mike doesn't have fever anymore, but he's got cough and cold still. Do you still have cold?
Yeah. They want me to. They're trying to make me take that today off.
Oh yeah.
I was like, no, it's all good. I can work.
Yeah. So yeah.
I just said I don't want to be on the phone, so.
Ah yeah. Oh yeah, because you cough and that.
That's all the shit.
Yeah. So yun nga. Mabuti naman, guys. Yung work ni Daddy Mike, they told Daddy Mike, you know, you can take the whole week off. But yeah, ayaw ni Daddy Mike kasi alam niyo naman itong ating Daddy Mike is very dedicated to his work. Ayaw niyang mag-off, guys, kasi nag-off na daw siya enough, you know, 3 days straight. And yeah, so yun, working pa rin siya. It looks very muggy today, as you can see. Wala si haring araw. Hopefully hindi siya uulan habang naglalakad kami kasi mabasa na naman tong ating mga baby girl. Hindi naman, guys, hindi kami alis pag ulan. Nakna? Hello, my sweet, beautiful princess!
Stop, Bobby.
It's a dream that we work as a team.
It's when it's,
yeah, careful, my love.
It's when it's not summer where it's going to be really good. It's not like I have the winter, you know what I mean?
Careful, anak. Yeah, I know. We're just talking about the, guys, the weather ba? So today, tingnan nyo, I'm wearing this, sweatshirt. Come on, my love. Come on. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I thought it's going to be hot. Like, you know, when we first arrived here in Brisbane, sobrang init. But yeah, obviously it's summer, kaya mainit. But now, it's starting to, guys, get better. Oh, hindi na siya, You almost fall?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just almost.
That's probably why you have to eat more food.
I have a phone.
Okay.
I just
You need
chugged
food
it.
in your body so you're strong.
So I got an idea.
You don't fall.
A few moments later.
There we go.
What are you playing with, Lini girl? Si Lini Weenie. Tingnan nyo ang ating edifiers to. Tingnan nyo, labas na naman ang mga laruan.
I'm just
What are you trying to do, ate?
trying to make paper to make things like a card.
Like a what?
To make a card, and this is my lesson today.
You wanna make a card?
So this one is like a dressing day, or maybe park day.
A what day?
Park day.
Park day?
And
So tell them what you're doing.
so this is just part. So this is a wedding day.
Wedding day.
Yeah, this is park day. And next day is party day. It's party day today.
It's party day. Party day. Buti na lang din hindi kami natuloy doon sa ano guys, sa wedding kasi
No.
hindi talaga ako nakapaghanda guys. Mga damit ng mga kiddos. Hindi. Pero yun na nga, nagkasakit naman talaga kaya hindi nakapaghanda.
So this one doesn't work. Look,
What's happening?
look my look here.
What is that?
It's not working.
Oh no. Need to get a new pen. Kanina pa to naghahanap ng pencil. Hindi ko makakita ang pencil. Ewan ko kung saan nilagay ng tatay nila.
I'm making eyebrows.
Basta yung mga ganyan, nilagay ni Daddy Mike ko yung mga laruan. Nilagay nila ni
Mommy.
Daddy sa mga
Mommy, I made eyebrows.
containers.
I'm gonna say,
Tapos yung mga books niya, dyan sa taas. Ewan ko kung bakit hindi nag-focus tong ating camera ngayon eh.
Today, Easter day.
What is today? Yung Daddy Mike's
I
there.
left
Oh.
Iran today, and I'm
Working.
going to school to that side, and Easter day.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is it. And I'm gonna play this card.
Hey! Lini! Ito rin to siya ay, ano, due for nap na rin to siya. Gusto pa niyang maglaro man.
Mommy, I need the phone.
Nak, where's the sticker from the toy you bought today? The one you said for the nails. Oh, is it? Who is that, Silini? Is that Olaf? Alam niyo ba ito siya, guys? Nilalagay ko siya doon. Tapos, yung mga laruan niya dito. Ay, she's scrolling now. Umaabot na siya kahit saan. Nanak na. Lini.
You should use a sticker. If you use two stickers,
Where are you gonna put it?
you can put it in the car. See? This is the car that you get.
Oh my gosh!
And where do you want to put the Anna?
Anna.
So I'll put this one first.
Put it on the envelope.
Should we put it here?
Na,
Here.
you sing me the anak bina. He told me. Louder, no, I can't hear.
He told me on a life on my dreams. When we prom, this is something new. He told me
Louder.
the power, rolling grace, the pride on the fire.
I can hear him now.
Oh, he told me the man on my dream just be out from flesh before to another. Here he says, I want the sound of you. I hear him now. Blue no. I need to love Bruno. I need to love Bruno. see your boyfriend here. My banana.
Oh my goodness.
My banana.
Lin, 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 lin.
Mommy.
Yes, na.
Are you doing it again? Hi guys, so I guess I'm gonna show you something really quick. So?
Makalat na naman kami dito, guys.
And I'm finished.
Maglinis, kalat ulit.
Hi. And now I made my car.
Whose car is that for, honey?
I ran look a little bit closer here.
Oh, by the way, guys, meron palang may nag-comment ba? First time ko yun siyang nakita na nag-comment sa channel natin. Sabi niya, anong video ba yun? I think yun yung, nag-housewarming kami ata dito. Tapos, diba, yung family ko, dinalhan nila si Celine tsaka si Ate Paris ng mga laruan. Sobrang dami talaga. So, obviously, dito sa kwarto namin nilagay. Nagkalat kasi naglaro ang mga bata ba. May nag-comment na, sobrang kalat daw sobrang kalat daw ng bahay. To be honest, guys, wala akong nakitang bahay na may mga bata na spotless. Yun bang sobrang linis talaga.
Do you know which cousin?
Kasi, mga naman talaga, guys, yung mga laruan ba, yung mga bata naglalaro naman talaga, very given na yun na maglalaro sila. Lini's having her snacks.
This one.
What are you having? Lini's having some blueberry. Blueberry, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes? Josh! Can you get some out now?
I finished Daddy.
Paris.
Daddy,
What's na si Daddy Mike mag-work, guys?
I'm doing the food.
What are you doing now? Paris?
Making a milkshake.
Milkshake.
Like
Strawberry milkshake.
Okay, now the next we're gonna put in.
Lini,
you're getting
you're making strawberry milkshake.
That looks really nice. And then can I taste it? I want to taste some with my fingers.
Okay, you can taste some. Paris, did you even taste any?
No. Yum. Let's taste. Yum. I want to do that one day.
Did you? Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Hold on. Put it closer. So I need you to put 2 spoons in there, please.
2 spoons.
Big spoon.
Oh no, honey girl.
Yeah.
Good job.
One more.
One more.
You can put 2 more. Go. No, look, you had it right the first time. Like this, that much. Okay, ready? Dig, 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 and then go. Put that in.
Careful.
Yep.
Good job.
And last one. Yep. Put that in.
Woohoo!
Just, yeah, knock it, tap here, so it all comes off, and then lick the spoon.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Finish the spoon, and then we'll put the next one in. You can put it in.
Yummy smoothie.
Putting the vanilla ice cream sugar.
Tadi ng ano, guys. Protein.
Can I have some too?
Oh, Daddy ate it all.
There's a little bit left.
Silly
Mommy,
Daddy.
for Paris.
Silly
Finish a
Daddy.
little bit. Oh, it's on your leg.
Okay, get Paris to do that, Daddy.
Here you go, sweetie. Whoa, hold it properly, straight. You got it? Okay. Reach over. Good girl.
What are you having?
Chocolate and
Yum.
Don't eat all the chocolate yet.
I'm not. I'm just gonna try some dough.
Is it sweet, Daddy?
I
Strawberry?
haven't had any parasites on.
Mmm.
Okay.
It's not bad.
There you go. So there's your chocolate strawberries.
I want one.
You got one there.
Mmm. Impression of strawberry is not so bad this time. Ito, maliit na to. It's $4.50. Sometimes it gets to $7.50, guys.
Sometimes it could be sour.
This is sweet. I love it. What did you cook with Daddy?
Hold on, we're still cooking. What else do you want? But the chicken was just going here. We got one more thing to put in here. You want pistachios or a little bit of orange? I think you want pistachios. What do you think?
Pistachios.
Pistachios?
Yeah, but can you carry me down?
No, because I need you to help me put the pistachios.
Your Paris cooking with Daddy. What did you put in the air fryer, honey?
Chicken.
Good go. Okay, let's take them out of the shell and put
You
them
remember, honey, what you've done before with the pistachio?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I picked it and I didn't get nothing. I unpacked the shells.
You ate the shells. Silly girl. Time check, people. It's now 7:43 ng gabi.
That's 01.
Nagluluto ng kanyang dinner. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog na, guys. I was wondering bakit siya payak-iyak kanina ba? Tulog. Allah! Guy! Goodness. Natulog na pala, guys. Ayun. Sobrang aga nakatulog. Alam niyo, bukas na naman yun siya. Ay, sobrang aga din siya gigising. Good luck sa kay nanay. Ay, my goodness. Ngayon ko pa to siya nasuot, guys. At tingnan niyo.
What would you like to eat?
Lang hiya eh.
What would you like to eat?
Paano pa naman to? Dry clean lang.
Yeah, okay.
So, we are preparing dinner now, guys. Yung food namin na nasa microwave na. Ate Paris is having strawberries, some nuts, and cheese. Nasali namin siya, guys, dito sa ng pagkain, pag-ready ng pagkain. Kasi, you know, research shows na mas may gana daw kumain yung bata kapag involved sila sa pag-prepare. And, do you have salt na?
Yeah, that's some salt.
Alright.
How many did you cook, Paris?
3.
3 only?
2 for Paris, and 1 for Mummy.
But I want one.
No?
I want one.
No. Now,
Tingnan yung laman ng air fryer.
what we'll do is we'll put 1 here, and 1 here, and 1 for Mummy.
Yes, please. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy.
Okay, Paris, this is done. Do you need a fork?
Yes.
Please, uy.
Yes. No.
Now maybe you can go with Mummy and fix the table outside so we can go sit there.
Check, guys. It's 11 o'clock na ng gabi.
Blind dating and all that stuff. It makes sense.
Tulog na ang ating mga babies. And Daddy Mike made me some tea. Kanina pa pala ito niya ginawa, but Hilamos pa ako and yeah, hindi na siya mainit. But yeah, that's our ganap for today. And yeah, yun ang sabi ko, supposedly tonight nandun sana kami sa Sydney, but you know, unfortunately we got sick and we were not able to fly, so that's all good. Bukas na yung kasal nila, guys. Yeah, it's a bit sad wala kami doon sa special day nila, but you know, we have reason naman kung bakit. But yeah, we'll just do a quick shout out, guys, ha, kasi sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakakapag shout out, kasi minsan hindi ko na nga na-end yung ating vlog, guys, kasi pag nilalapag ko na si Baby Celine sa sa bed, nakakatulog na rin si mami niyo kasi pagod na rin ba, kaya yun. But yeah, shout out to Yoli Novero, Angelina Ledesma, Mary Ann Zamora, Carlvin Borinaga, Delaney Prince, Marites Guillermo, Claudine Reed, Claudine's Kitchen, Ryan Landingin, Mami Rose Sabalye, Hilaska, Melin Reyes, Zera Solano, Star Gemini, Belen de Jesus, Jean Bagsik, Mary Ann Dugda, Gail, Giniafi Mantiza, Emily, Rosaline Imbong, Mitchell Alba, Rolando Sabas, and Minerva Takaki. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I think that nanonood ng kanyang TV. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!